Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by Chariot Corporation, ASX code CC9. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Managing Director of Chariot Corporation, Shanthar Pathmanathan. Hi Shanthar.
Hi Matt.
Okay, so Chariot has a dozen lithium projects in the USA, which include its two key projects, Hard Rock Lithium at Black Mountain in Wyoming and Claystone Lithium at Resurgent that straddles Oregen and Nevada. The company has literally hundreds of outcropping pegmatites, some of which have thrown up rock chips with eye-watering lithium grades. Management recently adjusted its strategy to get into production initially just with a small-scale mine at Black Mountain that can possibly be ramped up with the lithium market. Okay, Shanthar, I want to get into that small-scale strategy in just a moment, but firstly, how many pegmatites have you got outcropping just at the Black Mountain project in Wyoming?
We've got about 100 pegmatites identified which are outcropping at just Black Mountain. 40 of those we think are of high interest. They've got spodumene mineralisation in them, and so that's our target essentially at Black Mountain.
Okay, now I take it you've taken rock chips off those outcropping pegmatites. What are the best lithium numbers in those rock chips to date?
So the best result to date was 6.68% lithium oxide. 8 samples ran above 4% lithium oxide, and 22 samples averaged 2.16% lithium oxide. So a bona fide lithium system at surface.
Have you drilled any of the pegmatites yet? And if so, what are the best numbers there?
We have drilled these. The first 3 holes under a diamond drill program all hit lithium. The cores came out looking exceptional. 15.48 metres at 1.12% lithium oxide. Tantalum 78.8 ppm. And there we had a better intersection within that of 4.27 metres at 2.46% lithium oxide. 128.4 ppm tantalum. And then we've had a couple of other holes. One of the holes intersected at 45 metres. The first hole intersected at 2.74 metres below surface. So very shallow intersection there, and then a deeper intersection as well.
Sure. Okay, so what's the theory around this new small-scale strategy, and how quickly can you scale if the lithium market takes off again?
The small-scale strategy is premised on Wyoming's very unique small mine permit system, which limits how much you can disturb at surface. So that's 10 acres per year on a rolling basis. So as we reclaim it, that will be refreshed. But it doesn't limit how much we can extract. So what that means is that we can build something that we can scale into a larger operation starting small. And what we want to be positioned for the growth that we think is going to come in the United States. And this small-scale mining operation will let us scale with the growth in the United States.
Well, I note your share price has doubled in the last 3 weeks, so the market seems to like the new strategy. Shanthar Pathmanathan from Chariot Corporation, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears, and remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should of course seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 3AW and 4BC websites and click the Public Companies tab.